In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sprint in ClickUp. First, open ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and sign into your workspace. Starting from the main dashboard is perfect. Make sure you're in the correct workspace where you want to manage your team's sprints, so everything you create lands in the right place. Now look to the bottom left corner of your screen for the small waffle icon. That's your launchpad for ClickUp's extra features. Click it to open the menu, then choose Apps. This is where you can enable or manage optional tools that extend ClickUp's functionality. In the Apps panel, use the search bar to look for Sprint. You're looking for the Sprints feature provided by ClickUp. When it appears, click it to enable sprints for your workspace. If it's already enabled, you're good to go. You can simply close the panel. If enabling requires permissions, you may need an admin to switch it on, so keep that in mind if you don't see the toggle. With sprints enabled, head back to your space, the area where your team's projects and lists live. This ensures your sprint lives in the proper context with the rest of your work. Inside the space, find and click the plus icon to add something new. From the options that appear, choose Sprint Folder. This tells ClickUp you want to set up a dedicated container for your sprints, which will help you track progress and keep sprint-related tasks neatly organized. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your sprint folder. Choose a clear, consistent naming convention, such as Sprint 24.10 or Sprint March Week 2, so your team can quickly identify timelines. Clear names also make historical reporting easier later on. After typing the name, click Next. This confirms your setup details and prepares the folder for creation. Finally, click Create. ClickUp will generate your new sprint folder, and you'll be ready to add tasks, assign owners, and manage your iteration within a structured workflow. If you already have tasks in your backlog, you can move or add them to this sprint from within your space, so planning remains centralized. That's it. Your sprint is set up and ready to run. To recap, open ClickUp, use the waffle icon to access apps, enable sprints, return to your space, hit the plus icon, choose Sprint Folder, name it, click Next, and then Create. With those steps complete, you're prepared to organize work, track velocity, and keep your team focused through each sprint cycle.